Give me a second, I'm trying to select the appropriate weapon. Watch where you stepping, them snakes all around, you know they connected. When I was a kid, my grandmama told me I can't go to heaven, so I stopped praying and asking for blessings and started preparing for my Armageddon. Got nothing to lose, I'm all in. Walking the edge, don't fall in. Enough of the lies, don't apologize. I don't understand, are you foreign? This is the place, this is the site. Grab all your people and log in. I'm waiting, don't care how long it's gonna take. Watching and waiting for that first mistake. Don't come up missing, don't get it twisted. I'm not Rihanna, but boy, you a gunner, you right on my hit list.
What's up, guys? Sunday, fun day. So today's schedule, I'm gonna hit some deadlifts with Mr. Sean Torbati over there warming up right now, and we're gonna work up to 360 pounds, and we're gonna do, I think, 2 sets of 8, and then we're gonna do an all-out AMRAP set. I thought it was a plate. I'm ready, bro. I'm ready. So by accident, I put a 45 on that side, thinking that he put a 45 on this side, but he really put a 25. So, my bad. So we're trying to work on those muscular imbalances.
Yeah, I'm trying to correct my...
Your left side is so much stronger, so.
My right side, yeah, my right side needs to come up.
Yeah. All right, guys, we got 360 on the bar. So we're gonna hit 2 sets of 8. Right, Sean? 2 sets of 8?
2 sets of 8, then AMRAP. Time to do work. Don't try this at home, kids. No, I'm just kidding. Definitely try this at home. Push yourself if you want those real PA7 bare mode gains. You have to fucking push yourself. Come on. 14. Let's go. 15. Let's go. 16. Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
Alright guys, back at the house, epic training session. Me and Sean, well Sean and I both crushed it. He hit 17 reps on the deadlift, I hit 18, only because he pushed me to do one more. But yeah, we definitely crushed it. So we get an amazing surprise for you guys, which I'm really excited about. But first, so I don't miss my gains and miss that anabolic window, I'm gonna have some Pro Zero protein. So we got 1 scoop of my current favorite Pro Zero flavor, banana maple French toast. So I got 1 scoop in here, and then I'm gonna put about a cup of cashew milk inside here, mix it up, make a nice little sludge. And it's 100% plant-based, dairy-free, no soy, no whey, just pure goodness. And so today I trained completely fasted because yesterday I did that massive pancake challenge, if you guys haven't seen that yet. So yeah, I've been kind of playing around with it since, you know, I haven't been fasting lately, but because I'm having these massive, large kind of cheat days or whatever, and I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, it's unhealthy, but I'm actually just having a lot of fun right now. I'm really enjoying it. Yes, healthy nutrition is very important. It's very important to eat a very well-balanced diet, but I'm sorry guys, I'm just having a good time over here. Super fun, but yeah, balance is key. So yeah, I've been doing a little bit of fasting, so that is my first meal right now. It's currently 2:40 p.m. So trained fasted, having some quick protein, and now we're gonna go get the piece de la resistance. All right, Sean, what are we gonna get?
All right, we reviewed everyone's suggestions on Instagram and they sucked. So we're doing what we want to do. We're getting Z pizza. We're gonna get 4 pizzas, a pepperoni, cheese. We're gonna get a ZBQ, and we are going to get a bacon spinach mushroom. So 4 pizzas. So essentially we're gonna have 2 large pizzas each to start. Then the piece de la resistance, the last Cheeto that we're gonna be having for quite a while since you're gonna leave to Florida, is gonna be Sidecar. Gourmet donuts. It's a local craze around here in Orange County.
Dude, I'm excited for this.
Gourmet donuts, and they are every bit of gourmet. Like, they're just so different than a regular donut. It's getting me excited right now, like just sexually excited. They have limited flavors every month. From their daily flavors, we're gonna get butter and salt, which is like their go-to classic flavor. And we gotta get a maple bacon.
Yes.
You gotta try the maple bacon.
Absolutely.
Then from there, I'm thinking that we gotta go with the unique flavors. They have red velvet right now. They have orange cherry with pistachio. They have birthday cake and chocolate bundino. I think I want one of each of those.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it.
All right, so that's it. So that's what we're getting. So 6 donuts each on top of the 2 large pizzas. I think we should be pretty happy.
That's pretty good, yeah.
But we do also have to stop at Sprouts though, because we are very low on cashew milk, and we're gonna need that. I'm gonna need that for the donuts. So that's it. That's what we're doing. I think we should probably try and calculate the calories on this once we're full later.
Absolutely, yeah, we'll do that.
That's it. That's what we're doing. Time to go right now. I cannot believe Eric does 20,000 calories in one meal.
Yeah.
I know how hard this is about to be right now.
Yeah.
For me, personally. And he just destroys that.
It's just building up that capacity, you know what I mean, over and over, and stretching the stomach.
Build that capacity.
Yeah. Well, that's why we do Cheeto days. I mean, Cheeto meal.
Yeah.
You know, getting just enough to satisfy ourselves.
Yeah. And it easily lasts all week.
Yeah.
Like, I could even not do this today. The only reason I'm doing it for sure, like the reason it's easy to do, is because it's the last of the Mohicans.
All right, stop 1 is Sprouts. Grab a few things. Then it's gonna be donuts, then pizza, and then home.
Let's go, bitches. We got shit to do. We got Cheeto to have right now. There's no time for seatbelts. There's no time for waiting. I'm breaking the law right now. I'm gonna get 4 pizzas. Do you guys have any kind of a special or anything? Oh, that's fantastic. We're getting the 4th one free.
Perfect. Sidecar donuts.
Hi there. We're gonna get a dozen. One choco roll. We're gonna get 2 of these guys. Okay. No problem. 2 of these here. 2 of those, the birthday cake. How long till the butter and salt's ready? Okay, we're gonna do 2 of those. 2 of the maple bacon. And then 2 of the red velvet.
Just close the joint down.
Actually, this doesn't weigh very much.
Yeah.
The pizza will be dense. This place is actually good too. future Cheeto possibility.
Yes. Sprouts, check. Sidecar, check. Next stop is, what is it? Z Pizza?
Z Pizza.
All right. Time to get Z Pizza. Last and final stop, Z Pizza.
Z Pizza.
Z Pizza. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this pizza smells so good. We're almost home.
I am going to be taking some NR, some NI,
And
and some M6 right now. Prime my body for these calories, make sure my metabolism continues to function. If we don't completely shut it down. I'm going to open the door for the pizza, be a gentleman to it before I fuck it up. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this.
it's a lot of food, man.
I'm having performance anxiety right now.
Like those pizzas are pretty heavy.
Yeah.
So we have like, all right, yeah. I can't even speak. All right, we're heading home. We're gonna be there soon, and we're gonna show you guys everything.
Milo, we're ready.
All right, guys, here's everything. So we got cheese pizza, we got bacon, spinach, mushroom, onion. Which one's this one?
That's the ZBQ.
ZBQ, pepperoni, and look at these amazing donuts. It's all going down right now.
Are we rolling?
We are rolling. Yeah, so we are starting out. There we go. Go straight into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are starting out with some pepperoni pizza.
This crust looks fantastic.
Oh yeah.
How is it?
Oh,
Is it good?
that's good.
I can't wait. Yeah. This is a good bowl.
Alright guys, so next we have the ZBQ. Looking mighty tasty. Damn, that's good.
Wow. Are you ready?
Ready?
Last pizza. Classic. Classic. Cheese.
Yeah.
On to part two.
Ooh, I'm so looking forward to these donuts.
We should probably hit these first since they're in the...
Yeah, let's hit
These are the
them.
chocolate buntinos. Orange with pistachio, birthday cake, maple bacon, red velvet, and butter and salt.
We got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we got a lot of work to do.
Alright guys, so here we have the chocolate Buntino donut.
And I know for a fact that Malaysia, we will never think about this, right? Think about this. If you
Wow,
have terrorists,
that's
all our
amazing.
explosives have snatched these.
No.
Oh shit. Orange cherry with pistachio prelude.
For instance, a few years ago, we had the typhoon Haiyan that hit the Philippines, right? Now, right? I want to
Next we have birthday cake.
my mother.
Well, this thing is heavy.
It looks so good.
Yeah. Oh man. Wow.
Yes.
Oh my god, it tastes just like a birthday cake.
Yeah, it's
So
amazing,
good.
dude.
They nailed it with this one.
Yeah. Next up we have maple bacon. Next we have red velvet.
I'm full.
Like it's weird because now I have a child of my own.
Bro, I'm gonna try this one.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna eat the shit out of it.
It's so good.
Right? And I realized
I'm getting pretty full.
my father tells her he loves her too.
Oh wow, this is good.
How many of you grew up in the 80s? Make some noise.
Wow,
I can't breathe.
How many of you
Amazing.
grew up in the 90s? Don't even download history.
last and final bite.
We didn't have the internet. The only thing I had was the A-Bond catalog.
Oh man.
I
Still gotta
remember
get that
the A1
bone
catalog.
salt
My mother
gone.
was an A1 baby.
It must be dealt with.
I used to steal the catalog, run up there.
So worth it.
It must be dealt with. So why is it so dense?
Dude, it's so good though.
This one was made right when we got it. Dude, I feel like I have diabetes. Luckily these taste so good, it's not that hard. I got four pieces between me and Glory.
Good alarm system in the house, right? So
Yeah, it's so good.
When I
Yeah.
go downstairs, he knew immediately because he had a creaky
No
stairs.
problem.
And so every time